Hello friends, Assalamu-O-ALAIKUM. Welcome to my YouTube channel, Learn English with Oneza. Let's read and learn Oxford Modern English, 3rd edition for Grade 1. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Unit 7, part 2, Sun and Moon. Complete poem. Urdu translation and solved exercise. Sun and Moon. The moon shines clear as silver, the sun shines bright as gold, and both are very lovely and very, very old. God hung them up as lanterns for all beneath the sky, and nobody can blow them out, for they are up too high. Words to know. Beneath,
नीचे,
blow out,
बजाना,
bright,
रोशन,
gold,
सोना,
hung,
लटका दिया,
lanterns,
लालटेन,
silver,
चांदी,
rotate,
गुमना,
lovely,
प्यारा,
translation. Sun and moon.
सूरज और चांद.
The moon shines clear as silver, the sun shines bright as gold, and both are very lovely and very, very old.
चांद चमकता है साफ जैसे चांदी, सूरज चमकता है रोशन जैसे सोना, और दोनों हैं बहुत प्यारे और हैं बहुत बहुत पुराने.
God hung them up as lanterns for all beneath the sky, and nobody can blow them out, for they are up too high.
खुदा ने लटकाया है उन्हें ऊपर जैसे ललटेन, सब के लिए आसमान के नीचे, और कोई भी इन्हें बुझा नहीं सकता क्योंकि ये बहुत ऊंचे हैं.
Exercises. A. Understanding the poem. 1. Talk about the following with your teacher and then write the answers. What shines like silver? The moon shines like silver. What shines like gold? The sun shines like gold. Who hung up the lanterns? God hung up the lantern. Who can blow them out? Why not? Nobody can blow them out because they are up too high. B. Learning about language. 1. Read the sentences and turn them into questions. Write them in your notebook. Example, a bird can fly. Can a bird fly? You can blow them out. Can you blow them out? A farmer can plow a field. Can a farmer plow a field? A tiger can catch a deer. Can a tiger catch a deer? A horse cannot sing. Can a horse not sing? C. Listening and speaking. 1. Plurals. Do you remember the words ending in SH, CK, ST on page 49? Look at the plurals of some of these words from page 49. Dishes, locks, nests, splashes, flowers, moths, tables, bats, clothes, pests. Copy your teacher and say each word aloud. Put the words into lists given below in your notebook, ending in an S sound. Locks, nests, moths, bats, pests, ending in a Z sound. Dishes, splashes, flowers, tables, clothes. D. Activity 1. Match the words in column A to their opposites in column B. High, low, good, bad, up, down, small, big, dull, bright, near, far. 2. Work with a friend and try to make some pairs of your own. They can be words that are the same as each other or words that are opposites. Examples: the same, bright and shiny, big and huge, small and tiny, neat and clean, dust and dirt. Not the same, short and tall, close and open, black and white, day and night, light and dark. 4. What are facts? Facts are statements that are real or true. Examples: the Earth is the third planet from the Sun. Karachi is the biggest city of Pakistan. Read these sentences. Circle true if the statement is a fact. Circle false if it is not a fact. Dogs have 2 ears. True. Fish swim in water. True. Polar bears are white in color. True. Birds have 2 horns. False. Please like and subscribe my channel for more videos.